Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to set up a budget to get this $20 from the activities. So let's click on setting up cost budget. So this is a 5 minutes activity, and this activity we can use the budget to set an alert when you exceeded a forecasted you're possibly gonna exceed this monthly bill. So that's basically one of the things which you can do. So click on start activity and you will be redirected to budget. Now here we're going to use a template, all right, a pre-existing template where zero spend budget, a budget which notifies you when you actually exceed this 0.001, or a monthly cost budget. So if you set if you have a monthly budget, and if you think that the forecast or actually you're exceeding the monthly budget, then there will be immediate alert sent out to you. Or daily savings plan budget, where it basically checks on a daily basis. And daily reservation utilization buttons, where you know how much you're going to utilize, and if it crosses the utilization threshold, it's going to send an alert. So this can be used on a service, like for example, a EC2 instance, as a service you can choose, and then you can basically work with it. Now let's go with the zero spend budget, which is the best thing. So here is the email. Here you can type your email over here, and then you can just click on create budget. Now this will be notifying you the moment you spend more than $1. So this will be sending out an email to you right after you were forecast or your amount utilized has crossed it, whichever comes first. Thank you again for watching this video. I think we have done what needs to be done for this setting up the budget. So I think that should come in. Oh, the bedrock has completed. So we're expecting the budget to be completed as well. Thank you again for watching this. I'll see you on the next video.